Hi guys, how are you? My name is Maribel. Today's video is going to be this look. This is a simply dramatic eye with red lip for party or if you want to feel glam at home. And I'm going to use this Morphe 350 palette to create this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off prime the lids. I'm using the Canmake eyeshadow base and blending it with my Real Techniques sponge. Then setting it with this Revlon Skinlights powder and blend it all over the lid. Also taking this light shade from the Morphe 350 palette and blend it all over the lid as well. For my transition color, I'm going in with this shade and applied it in my crease. This is going to be my first transition shade. Using my blending brush, I'm going to blend the harsh edges. I'm going to add this shade and put it in the crease to have an even better transition. Because as I blended the first shade, I feel that the shade kind of blend away. To intensify more on the crease, I'm going in with this shade and applied it in the crease, the same and exact spot that we applied the first shades earlier. Taking this light shade from the palette and blend it on the crease to soften the edges. Then I'm going in with this shimmery shade and applied it dry on the center of my lid. I'm not going to with this shade because I want it simple and not too intense. To add more depth on the outer V, I'm going in with this darkest brown right here and applied it only on the outer V of my eye. I love the feeling. And slowly bring the shade down to the lower lash line to kind of smoke it out, like so. The same thing that I did on the other eye, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. And also, I'm going to take this light shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Taking the shimmer shade and applied it on my inner third of my lower lash line. And also the shade to smoke out the outer corner of my lower lash line. For my concealer, I'm using two types of concealer to achieve my desired shade. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the Shiseido Integrate Concealer. To line my waterline, I'm going to take this jumbo pencil as well as this NYX jumbo eye pencil in milk. And for my eyeliner, I'm using this Lealane liquid eyeliner in brown. This is a Japanese brand. To tight line, I'm using this LB eyeliner in black. And for my mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite from L'Oreal. This is the Double Extension Mascara. To set my under eye area as well as to brighten my under eye, I'm going to use this Kate Loose powder in Glow. For my face powder, I'm going to use this Kanebo Coffret powder foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. And Diamond Lashes for my false lashes. To contour and highlight my face as well as my nose, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Mine is a light to medium. And for my blush, I'm going to use this Citi Color Pro blush. Grabbing again my contour kit to contour the perimeter of my face. To highlight my cheekbones as well as the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow, I'm using my favorite highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in Sundipped. Before applying any lipstick, I'm going to conceal first my lip. So I'm using the Coffret Stick Concealer. And line my lip with this Shiseido Integrate Lip Liner. And apply some lipsticks. I'm grabbing this Chanel 79 Isolate. This is Oldies but goodies. And also the L'Oreal Color Riche Extraordinary Lipstick. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.